Dinosaur! The griffin vulture. Oh, what's this Mondrian thing? What is it? Wait a minute. There's a fridge! It's a fridge! What? It's a fridge of books! These must be the coolest books in Spain. What's in here? Picnic bench. Table tennis. Table football. Wow! If it carries on raining like this, we'll come in here and play table tennis, table football, and have picnics. It's great! And maybe we'll have a barbecue. Yes! Walnut tree. This village has got it all. So I've seen one. So this is a lovely little museum explaining the dinosaur footprints that have been found in the region and the fossils and what's lived here. And it's free and it's got a wealth of information. Definitely worth a visit if you're in the area. I win again.